Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Binance with the Blockfolio app. So the first thing you need to do is to log in on Binance. Once you are logged in, go over to the top right, then just hover your mouse over this icon. Once you've got this pop-up, click on API Management. You will be sent over to a page looking similar to this one. Right here, you will need to create the API key. So you need to give the API key a label. I will go with Blockfolio since that's the app I'm connecting my Binance with. Once you have filled in the name, click on Create API. You will then need to go through the security verification process. Once you have filled in everything you need to fill in, click on submit. Now you will see the API list. Go over to the API key you just created and click on edit restrictions. Now you will need to uncheck all the API restrictions except for enable reading. After you have done that, click on save and go through the security verification process once again. Now you will need to go over to your mobile. Then the first thing you will need to do is to open up the Blockfolio app. You will then see this plus button in the bottom of your right side. So click on that button, and now at the top of this page you will see connect exchange. So select the exchange you want to connect portfolio with. In my case that will be Binance, but if you are in the US you should go with Binance US. At the top of this page you will need to fill in the name of your connection, and below the name you will have to select the portfolio you want to cite your transactions to. So I'll go ahead and create a new portfolio named Binance. You can also select the color at the top. Since I don't want to sync my transactions to the main portfolio, I will go ahead and uncheck the main portfolio. Now the last thing you will need to do is to select the API key. Just click on the QR code scanner icon and then align the QR code within the frame. So make sure you have your QR code visible on your computer screen. You can also click on advanced import option, and then you need to connect Binance and Blockfolio is to click on add connection. It could take some time for Blockfolio to establish the exchange connection, and that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.